Welcome back to Math Families. Today's lesson is the start of Module 2. In Module 2, we will be bridging our strategies from problem solving within the number 10 to working with numbers within 100. In Module 2, we will also be focusing on the Make 10 strategy and Take 10 strategy. Let's jump straight into our warm-up. For our warm-up today, we are focusing on Take Out 1. For example, if I say 5, you say 1 and 4. Let's try together for our first number. Our first number is 3. You say 1 and 2. Great job, my friends. Let's go ahead and make a mini number bond or a breakdown of it. Watch me. And remember, we said 3 is 1 and 2. Let's try our second number, 10. You say 1 and 9. Great job, my friends. Let's go ahead and do another mini number bond. 1 and 9. Oh my goodness, great job, my friends. We had a great warm-up. Let's go ahead and jump straight into our math vocabulary. Our first word is expression. Expression is another word for number sentence. Equation. Equation describes two number sentences that equal each other. Good job, my friends. Let's begin our starter problem. Read with me or in your head as I read out loud to you. John, Emma, and Alice each had 10 raisins. John ate 3 raisins, Emma ate 4 raisins, and Alice ate 5 raisins. How many raisins do they each have now? All right, my friends, remember, great mathematicians always go back and reread the problem. So let's do that. John, Emma, and Alice each had 10 raisins. John ate 3 raisins, Emma ate 4 raisins, and Alice ate 5 raisins. How many raisins do they each have now? My friends, based on the question, it sounds like they are asking us to figure out a part for each person. Because John and Emma ate different amounts, they are probably going to have a different amount by the end. Going back to the beginning, John, Emma, and Alice each had 10 raisins. So they started out with the 10. They each started out with 10. Do you think the 10 is going to represent the whole or the part? Why? Tell a friend or a family member. Welcome back. That's correct. 10 is the total or the whole. All 3 of them have the same whole because the word each tells me that. Let's go ahead and fill it in for our number bond and our number sentences. 10 for John. Emma also started with 10. Alice also started with 10. Great. Let's keep reading. John ate 3 raisins, Emma ate 4 raisins, and Alice ate 5 raisins. My friends, when we have food in front of us and we eat, does the amount become more or less? Yeah, it becomes less because it disappears into our stomach. Because they are eating raisins, the 3 for John is going to be a part. The 4 for Emma is a part, and the 5 for Alice is also a part. So let's go ahead and put it into our number bond. John had 10 raisins. He ate 3. Emma had 10 raisins. She ate 4. Alice had 10 raisins. She ate 5. Let's go ahead and fill in our number sentences as well. For John, he did have 10, and then he ate 3. So we're trying to figure out now how many he has left. Emma had 10 raisins to start with. She ate 4. Now we're figuring out how many she has left now. Alice had 10 raisins. She ate 5. Great. Now we're also trying to figure out how many she has left. So it seems like all of our subtraction sentences matches our story. That means we're on the right track, my friends. Let's go ahead and solve to figure out how many raisins they individually have now. I'm going to start with Alice because her problem looks familiar. What does it remind you of? Go ahead and talk with a friend or a family member. Welcome back. Correct. It is a doubles for Alice. What is the doubles back for 10? Great job. It is 5 and 5. So Alice had 10 raisins. She ate 5 and now she has 5 raisins left. Let's fill it in for our solution and let's put it into our complete sentence. Our complete sentence reads now, Alice has 5 raisins now. 5 is our solution. It was also our missing part, and raisins is our unit. For Emma, I am going to use the 5 group strategy. I know that 5 and 4, so 5, imaginary 5 group in my head, 5 and 4 make 9. I need 1 more to make 10. The 1 more and the 5 group make 6. So my missing part for Emma is 6. Let's fill it into our number sentence as well. Emma has 6 raisins now. 6 is our solution. It's also our part. And raisins is our unit. Great. Let's go ahead and finish up with John. For John, I'm going to use count back. Put 10 in your head. Put 3 on your fingers. Count back with me. 10 in my head. 9. That's the first finger. 8. Second finger. 7. Third finger. So how many raisins does John have left? John has 7 raisins. Let's fill it in with our number sentence as well. John has 7 raisins now. 7 is our solution. It's also our part. Raisins is our unit. Great job, my friends. We are so ready to move on to the teacher model. All right, my friends, for our teacher model today, I brought you guys some special blocks. The first grade classrooms each have these special bins with many different types of blocks in them. Let's figure out how many we have. On our screen, how many triangle blocks do we have? Go ahead and pause. Think of all the strategies that we've learned so far. And then tell a friend or a family member. Great job. Welcome back, my friends. Were you also thinking 9 triangle blocks? I see a 5 group on the top, and then I see 4 on the bottom. And I know 5 and 4 make 9. Great job, my friends. Now, let's go ahead and lay out some more blocks. Oh my goodness, we have so many more blocks. Now let's take a look. How many are in the triangle group? Great job. We just learned that it was 9. How many are in the square group? Great job. There's 1 square block. How many are in the trapezoid group? Great job. There are 4. We now need to figure out how many there are altogether. Help me write the expression. Let's write the expression as we see the picture. 9 plus 1 plus 4. 9 triangles, 1 square, 4 trapezoids. We can do many things to figure out our whole or our total here. We could start with the larger number and count on. We could add the groups together by counting them all. But today's strategy, I'm going to teach you how to make 10 since it is such a friendly number. What do you think about that? Talk with your friend or a family member. This is the first time that we are going to try the make 10 strategy. How can we make 10 based on our picture? Go ahead and pause, think, and talk with a friend or a family member, and then we will do it together. Great job, my friends. Were you also thinking of 9 and 1 to make 10? Me too. I'm going to now circle and group in the 9 triangles and the 1 square. That makes 10. We have 10 in this grouping, and then we have 4 here. How many blocks then do we have altogether based on our new expression? Great job! 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 equals 14. So we have 14 blocks all together. Great job, my friends. Alright, my friends, now we are going to practice together. You may read out loud or in your head as I read out loud to you. At lunch, Marcus put 2 pepper slices, 8 carrots, and 6 banana pieces on his tray. When he reached the checkout, how many pieces of food did he have? Remember, my friends, great mathematicians always go back and reread the problem, so we're going to do that. At lunch, Marcus put 2 pepper slices, 8 carrots, and 6 banana pieces on his tray. When he reached the checkout, how many pieces of food did he have? It sounds like, my friends, the question is asking me to figure out the total or the whole. It's very important that you know what the question is asking you. Alright, my friends, for our picture, we're going to use a simple drawing. For simple drawings, you can use either lines or dots to help you. At lunch, Marcus put 2 pepper slices. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 2 dots. 8 carrots. I'm going to set up my 8 carrots using 5 groups. Watch me and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 6 banana pieces on his tray. I'm also going to set this number up using our 5 group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, my friends, using the new strategy of make 10, go ahead and talk with a friend or a family member about how we could do that using our picture and what we know. Great job. Welcome back, my friends. Were you also thinking 2 and 8? So the 2 pepper slices and the 8 carrots? Me too. Give yourselves a pat on the back and let's go ahead and group our 10s. Great job, my friends. We just made a 10 group. Now, we see that our number sentence has changed from 2 plus 8 plus 6 to, it has changed to 10 plus 6, which we know equals what? Great job, 16. So, let's go ahead and answer our question. Our question reads, when he reached the checkout, how many pieces of food did he have? Marcus had 16 pieces of food at the checkout. 16 is our solution. It is also our whole or our total. And pieces of food is our unit. Great job, my friends. Oh my goodness, we did so good. We are totally ready to try this on our own. Don't forget to click the worksheet at the bottom of the description box. And I've put up the directions and the reminders on the screen again for you guys.